Hey, what's up everyone? Today, well, it's pretty crappy outside, but it's a perfect opportunity for me to wash my car because I haven't washed her in over 2 weeks. Even though she's white, she's very dirty. The dirt doesn't really show, but I'm going to show you what I use, the steps I take to wash my car. Well, here's the car, and let's see if you can see some of the dirt right there. Oh yeah, look at that. And then the mags, as we can see how dirty they are, as well as the tires. And on the hood there's a few spots. So here's the other part of the driver's side. Dirty wheels. And just to show you how dirty they are, I'll just rub it right there. Look at that. Gives you an idea. And the back gets dirty a lot more. There you go. So let me show you right here. Look at that. Well, first of all, I use a 2-bucket system. This is a 1 bucket here that's empty right now. This will be the rinse bucket. As you see, there's a strainer on the bottom. So all the debris will go and rest on the bottom. Then I use my soap solution that's good for cars. In the other bucket, I use a microfiber wash mitt that always is washed after each and every wash. I'll put that guy in there. He's ready to clean the rest of the car, well, especially the mags. I have my different types of brushes here, a rough bristle brush, spoke brush right here. I have the big long one here that goes in deeper, so this guy is what we're going to use again here tonight. Then I have my other brushes here that will do moldings, trims, emblems. Go and get that dirt. Interior brush, bug remover pad, foam soap with a foam cannon. What I use in this bad boy is Chemical Guys Honeydew. I love it. It smells great. I think it works wonders. It works really well for my car. And obviously, this guy. That's my Honda engine pressure washer. So first things first, I'm going to start off by rinsing the car with a high pressure washer. Because it's ceramic coated, the dirt will come off a lot easier too. Then I'm gonna snow foam the car with the Chemical Guys Honeydew product. Let that dwell in about 10 minutes. While that's dwelling, I'm gonna go around with the little soft black brushes I will show you also in the video, and go and do all the emblems, all the moldings, especially like the window moldings here that you see all across the window. So the brush is gonna go in there and get all the dirt, the front grille and back emblems and all that. The wheels also, I forgot the wheels. So the wheels will be done first. So we want to do these before anything. These guys get done first, after the rinsing. So we rinse, wheels, snow foam, and then the rest of the car will get done. So while rinsing the car, I did see a couple of grease or tar or something that is stuck on the car. So before I go ahead and rub it, after I do the wheels, I'll show you what product I use to remove that without spreading it all over the wash mitt. Let's see, there's a couple more spots right there. Obviously, step 1, the wheels. Get rid of the wheels first. We want that dirt after to go on a clean car. So we're going to go ahead and do the wheels first. I use for the degreasing process is Iron X from CarPro. This product is amazing. So basically what I'm going to come here, I'm just going to come here and then hit the door where the grease spots are. So here we go. Now I'm just going to miss that spot right there. Get that spot right there. Grill gets extensive brushing here because again the wash mitt really can't go in there. And then before I continue to the rinse process is where I'm going to remove the bugs from the front bumper. We'll go over the front end. Okay, let's do the big star right here. Let's do the grill on the bottom. Boar hairs brushes are great for this. So the next step, as we see the snow foam is dwindling and doing its work, getting rid of the dirt, we're going to go ahead and use our bug foam here and remove the bugs from the front of the car. So remember those grease spots that were there, gone with Iron X, and even on the door, and we have not scrubbed the car yet. So we're going to go ahead and do the car with our wash mitt. These are microfiber towels I use along here. They're, purposely made for drying. I have 5 of these. I will typically use 3 on a car every time I wash it. So there's always at least 2 to 3 clean at every time. So this is what I use, long hair microfiber. Works wonders. No chamois, doesn't scratch the paint, everything. So this is safe for paint. Now for the tire dressing. What I use, obviously, as I told you before, is I like this Meguiar's Ultimate Black. It is good for black plastic trim around the car, but it works wonders on tires, believe it or not. Well, there you have it, folks. A nice, rich black. It's still not dry, but it's going to dry up. I'm going to leave it sit for a couple of hours, but this car looks so good, clean. Those spots that we had on our camera before, they're gone. Car looks mint. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video of spa day of my car. To finish off this video and get the satisfaction after a couple of hours of detailing the Mercedes, I'm going to finish off with this beautiful smoke, the Cohiba Siglo II in a tube from Cuba. So everything about this cigar, the size is a medium, it's a 42 gauge, 5-inch cigar. It's about a 30-minute smoke or so. Smooth, medium smoke. It's just beautiful. Just the smell, I can't wait to light it. So, hey, remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications, and I'll see you guys soon.